हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज का हम लोग का टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस। इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि इट इज़ जस्ट द मेजर ऑफ एबिलिटी ऑफ कंडक्टर टू स्टोर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज। किसी भी कंडक्टर की एबिलिटी चार्ज को स्टोर करने की, उसी एबिलिटी को हम कह सकते हैं, द मेजर ऑफ दैट एबिलिटी इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस. Experimentally, it has been observed that whatever amount of charge is given to a conductor, it increases its potential in the same manner, by the same ratio, in the same proportion. That is, Q is proportional to V. Q proportional to V means whatever amount of charge is given to a conductor, it will increase its potential in the same proportion, Q proportional to V. And whenever a proportionality sign is removed, we always get a constant, that is Q equals to CV, where C is this proportionality constant, C equals to Q by V. C proportionality constant और इसी proportionality constant को हम नाम देते हैं electrical capacitance. This proportionality constant C is known as electrical capacitance. Now, if we talk about the unit of this electrical capacitance, so unit is simply farad, SI unit, farad, F, and 1 F equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. That is 1 farad equals to coulomb per volt, 1 coulomb per volt. There are further smaller units also, microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad. Micro stands for -6, nano for -9, and pico for -12. So these are few smaller units of capacitance. Okay, and this is the formula which we will use in deriving the relations and solving the numericals. Okay, next is that we have to find the electrical capacitance of a spherical conductor. Okay, electrical capacitance of a spherical conductor. So it is very simple. For such a derivation, we will just suppose a spherical conductor एक स्पेरिकल कंडक्टर यहाँ सपोज कर लेंगे, और चूंकि कंडक्टर है तो आपको पता है कि जो भी चार्ज हम इसको सप्लाई करेंगे सारा चार्ज सरफेस पे यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है. सो दिस इज ए स्पेरिकल कंडक्टर एंड सपोज अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज गिवन टू द कंडक्टर, सो इट विल गेट यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड over the surface of this conductor. Suppose the radius of this conductor is just equal to capital R. Capital R is the radius of the conductor. So potential V, the potential of the spherical conductor is just equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, where Q is the charge given to the conductor. And since we know that electrical capacitance C equals to total charge divided by potential, okay, just now we have studied about that. So C equals to Q by V, so Q divided by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Q will cancelled out, so electrical capacitance comes out to be, electrical capacitance of spherical conductor comes out to be C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. It means that we can say that electrical capacitance of a spherical conductor, it is just proportional to the radius of this C proportional to R. So greater is the radius of the spherical conductor, more is its electrical capacitance. That is, more is the ability of the spherical conductor to store the amount of charge. Condition is that the radius, if it has larger radius, then we can say. Okay. Now from this derivation we can discuss that 1 farad is a very bigger value of capacitance. That is a very important question and it is generally asked in your board examinations. So 1 farad is a bigger value of capacitance. So how are we going to show it that 1 farad is actually a bigger value of capacitance? So for this, for derivation of such for this concept, we can just take the example of this formula C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. For C equals to 1 farad, अगर हम चाहते हैं C equals to 1 farad, so 1 equals to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So R comes out to be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is just equals to 9 into 10 power 9 meter. It means for any body which is having a capacitance of 1 farad, the radius must be equal to 9 into 10 power 9 meter, which is much greater than the radius of Earth. So this shows that 1 farad is a very bigger value of capacitance. Generally, for to have such a large value of capacitance that is equal to 1 farad, the size of body must be greater than the size of Earth. Okay, so this is a simple concept and it's very important also. Okay. Next, over here, we will just discuss about capacitance, that is capacitance of capacitor. So